Hi guys, it's me, Mardiya. Today I want to tell you some drawings and how to make a beautiful house. Okay, let's start. First we have to draw like this, okay? First we have to strap it, so first we have to press it so it will be not moving. Then over and around like this. Here, now do like a moon. This, yeah. Then we have to do like this, the same. But if it match, then we have to do again like this. Then here's a little bit of something here, so let's join it, and this one too. Just like this. Now we have to do the straight line. Okay, there you go. Now, there. Now we have to do it just like this. There. Now the same in there. There we go. Then for this. And look, this is something here, so we have to match this up. Now we have to do this one. And this is not be straight, this is just like this. And erase it with the eraser. Just like this. There. Now there's some eraser here, so we have to join this up. Now we have to knead this again, but there's straight lines, so we have to do this one first. Okay? There, and we have to join this up like this. And do like this, the same, and we did it. Then we have to join this up again. Now we have to do the another part, but so we can open and close to this. The door, but door will be bigger. And join this up. Like this. Now put the stick in there. Just like we did the window. Now we have this, and you want to make a sun, so draw it. Now we have this. Now let's color the drawing. First we have to need a red color. Here to color this one. But when you go outside, so you have to do like this, so it never be go in outside. Outside means like this. They're the inside like this. There. Now we have to zigzag like this. Be careful, don't go outside, okay? There. Now we have to do this, the orange. We don't give all the red, we have to give orange too. Here's the orange color. So we do like this, like a zigzag, like this I did. Then we have to do the same, so it will be pretty in your house when you draw this. Top way. There we go. Then do the same side and just like this. Now we did like this, and I like the top way, so pretty. Now we have to do red again. But this time we don't put here, we will put here. Make it bigger so it will be nice. Now we have to do the orange again. Here we do the orange, and this part the same is yellow. Be careful, don't put in the window or door. We have to put black and brown. When this is a white, so you can fill it up. And this one just like this. So you can fill it up with red too. The same way. And orange too. Just like this. Do we do the red way? Don't be too fast, so your color will ruin it. There we have this, but don't forget the yellow. And of course there's white. There. Now there we go. Now let's do the black up. Now we have to do this. Here's the black. Like this. And do the same on the other one, but not a window, this is the door. Don't go outside when you do black. Now we need a brown. Here's the brown. Now let's fill it up. Just like this. Then do this again. And the red is not filling up, so let's fill the red up. There. For the last, we almost done with the brown stay line. Well, our house is too dark, and remember, write this too dark, and you can't do the dark, so write black color pencils, so it will be dark. And there's all done. Now I want to write my name. A-R, then D-I-Y, and A, my signature. All done. Bye. Thank you for watching my house video. So, and that's called drawing. And you like my drawing, so give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.